and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today, another installment of houseplant terminology. So, various houseplant terms so that you can understand them when you hear them in other videos or when you're reading about plants, etc. So, today's is air layering. And this is a propagation method that's best suited for tall, lanky, single-stem plants that have become very woody, such as dumb cane, Dieffenbachia, many of the dracaenas, rubber tree, Ficus benjamina, split-leaf philodendron. You can also use it on fiddle-leaf fig. Air layering, what it does is it serves two purposes. It helps you to get a large plant from a single cutting and to prune a plant that has grown too tall for a space. The procedure is a simple one. You partially cut the stem and you encourage root formation at that point. Once the roots form, you remove the rooted portion and you have a whole new plant from the rooted portion, and then the original plant is now shorter and able to fit in a particular area. So you leave then the old stem to grow, and it will, and from the point where you cut off the new plant, you will get new growth on the old plant. And there is a procedure. The air layering is a procedure that includes using rooting hormone, wrapping the area with moss and wrapping it in plastic wrap, and then waiting for that top part where you've cut it to create roots so that you could safely cut the plant and then replant the new plant, and the old plant, as mentioned, will just continue to grow from that point but be much shorter at that point, or somewhat shorter at that point, so it can continue to grow in the same space. And I do have a video coming up on the procedure and how to do it on a dracaena. But this, as mentioned, is a houseplant terminology video. So now you know what air layering is. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.